Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to show or hide file extensions on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. So whether you are trying to identify file tabs more easily or prefer a cleaner look, I've got you fully covered with exact steps for each Apple device. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, let's learn how to show or hide file extension for one file on your Mac. To do so, you have to select a file on your Mac and then you have to choose File and select Get Info from the drop-down menu. Then you have to click the arrow next to Name and Extensions to expand the section. And to show or hide the file name extension, just check or uncheck the box next to Hide Extension. And then I'm going to show you how to show or hide extensions for all files on your Mac. To do so, you have to open a Finder window on your Mac, and then you have to select Finder and choose the Settings option from the menu bar. Then you have to select the Advanced tab, and then you have to check or uncheck the mark next to Show All File Name Extensions. And finally, it's time to learn how to show or hide extensions for all files on your iPhone and iPad. To do so, you have to open the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to navigate to a folder, and then you have to tap on the triple dot icon located at the top right corner of the screen. And if you're using an iPad, you have to tap the icon made up of 4 small squares. Then you have to select the View options at the bottom of the drop-down menu. And finally, you have to select the Show All Extensions in the menu, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily show or hide file extensions on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Now that you have unlocked this pretty neat feature, make the most of it as and when the need arises. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.